Hey guys, um, the as you can see by the title, I think. Wait, no. Okay. Um, as you can see by the title, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna be doing glitch and I guess with my friend. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be like a bunch of glitches in one video. Um, so yeah. I guess we should do the first glitch. Okay, so this one, it's like, I have to show you. You were right. Okay. Oh, dang it. Okay. Oh, this person's doing glitch too. See? You cannot sit this way. Um, oh, you see, like, you can't sit that way. Like, it doesn't work. There's nowhere for you to sit like that, but it'll give you like that or like forward or something. Um, it also works on this slide. Um, and yes, you can do this as a non-member because you can change into any animal. Um, that's basically the glitch. I think this one's a little shorter, so it's like harder to do. Yeah, you won't always get um the way you want to face. And on your friend's screen, it won't um be the same. Okay, yeah, I went backwards again. Oh, you're backward too! You're backward too on my screen. Okay, so I already did this glitch on my channel, but some of you like maybe new and stuff. So, you have to do this with somebody. Um, yeah. Oh, it's gonna be such a okay. And then go to the person, and their den should be open. And, oh, and if it is, go to their den, and like this will still be there. But on their screen, you're like still. I'm scared. Yeah, yeah. You really know how to make me lie when you give me those sunshine nights. Oh, I forgot I was recording actually. Um, that's awkward. Okay. Um, yeah, all you need to do is go to that. It doesn't even say up there. Oh my gosh, why is my screen frozen? Why do I have so much lag? Okay, um, bro, this is already a long video. Okay, so she did. Oh yeah, she reloaded, or is it he? I don't know. They reloaded. I don't want to assume. Um, so I have to think of another glitch. Oh yeah. Okay, next glitch. Everybody knows. Let's look at this. Wait, it's me being my mouse. Um, okay. Um, oh my gosh. Okay, super simple. Every single person on earth knows how to do this. If you don't, what's wrong with you? Okay, this is super long. Let me go on your file. Okay, where's that? I'm super laggy right now. Is it already on? No, because I have a pattern on. Oh yeah, okay. So basically, what you do, I really wish I could do the no eye glitch, but super complicated. I it's not even that complicated. It's pretty darn easy and it's worth it. I literally don't know how to. I know how to do it. It's too hard for me. That's alright. Oh, there's no pattern. Um, and now on the splotches, and then you can pick like any color at all. Um, where are you? It says you're still here. Um, and then your solid color. Oh, you're invisible. Okay, that was funny. Magenta boy. Magenta boy. Yes. Okay, guys. That was kind of it. I'm really bored and I'm tired. So, yeah. I. Okay.